Understanding Lottery Winner, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very exciting phrase, lottery winner. It's a phrase that sparks a lot of interest and curiosity. So let's explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts associated with it. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about the phrase, this video is for you. Lottery winner refers to a person who has won a prize in a lottery. A lottery is a form of gambling where people buy tickets, and winners are chosen randomly. Winning a lottery often results in receiving a large sum of money or valuable prizes. This section will explain the concept of a lottery, how one becomes a lottery winner, and the general implications of winning. Winning the lottery can be life-changing. In this section, we'll discuss both the positive and negative impacts of becoming a lottery winner. We'll cover stories of joy, newfound wealth, and the challenges that come with sudden fame and fortune. This part aims to provide a balanced view of what it means to suddenly come into a large amount of money. Here, we'll explore how the term, lottery winner, is used in everyday conversations and media. We'll look at idiomatic expressions and cultural references related to lottery winners. This section will also include examples of sentences using the phrase, helping learners understand how to naturally incorporate it into their vocabulary. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and nuances of the phrase, lottery winner. Remember, while winning the lottery seems like a dream, it comes with its own set of challenges and responsibilities. If you have any questions or experiences to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.